Hello and welcome to cắttóc, Vietnam. Hey guys, welcome to the Vietnamese haircut, also known as cắttóc. This is my local guy that I use every week, and he charges 50,000 dong for a haircut, which equates to about $2.50, and he does a very good job. He has very nice tools and equipment, and so today we're going to have a full service with ear cleaning, facial mask, and haircut, and let's see what happens. Alright guys, I'm doing this just for you. I know I look crazy, but I'm having a mask put on as well as having my ears cleaned out. Let's hope there's not a lot of gunk inside. I don't want you to see all that. If you've never had this done, it feels a little bit strange. It tickles a little bit. Oh, but it also feels good. It's a feeling that if you've never had it, it's enjoyable but also a little bit scary. Actually, on second thought, as he goes into the inner canal, oh, it's kind of orgasmic. It makes you shiver. Oh. The funny thing is if he finds earwax and starts to pull it out, hopefully I don't have much inside my ears, but they usually just put it onto your arm, so your arm will be filled with little bits of earwax all up your arm, and I think it's to show you how good of a job he did and how much wax he was able to find inside your ear. This is the tool he's using inside my ear.
Clean.
And you see he looks like he's a miner wearing his headlamp so that he can see inside my ear. All right, here we go. Right now he's beating my eardrum with like a wet cloth or a wet cotton ball. You guys can see better than me, but it's kind of like pounding on your eardrum, and it feels a little bit strange. Oh, if you've never had your eardrum massaged, you need to feel it. Oh, it sends chills down your spine. I'm not sure if you guys can hear the Vietnamese music playing in the background, but it's very soft, it's very soothing, and it makes the whole experience that much better. Another eardrum massage. Oh. This is the way a haircut should be.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking.
And the reveal, oh, beautiful. Look at that radiant skin, glistening and shining after my face mask. I'm just joking, guys.
We can be live with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for.
They even put on your glasses for you. Come on, you.
We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my...
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you.
Hello, bye bye, see you.